Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're continuing our syllable work this week, and very similar to last week, we're going to be looking at long vowel sounds that show up in the first syllable or second syllable. So again, you're going to have to clap these out as you're saying them. This week we're working with the long O sound. Long O being made by a couple different ways. As you see in some of the patterns already, you have your OA, your O consonant E, you have OW, so you'll be seeing the long O show up in a couple different ways here. So when you clap your words out, if you hear the long O sound in the first syllable, you'll place it under the first. If you hear the long O sound in the second syllable, you'll place it under the second, and we'll talk about our oddballs. So let's go through our list. We have our first column: toaster, alone, soldier, compose, lower, approach, postage, bowling. Second column, we have below, hostess, suppose, owner, remote, loafer, soapy, erode. In our last column, we have coaster, explode, lonely, decode, lonesome, awoke, Europe, and poster. Notice Europe, we have a capital E this week, the name of a place, a proper noun. So don't forget about that when you're studying your words this week. There might be a couple words in here that you are not 100% sure the meaning of. If that's the case, please raise your hand and ask, and a teacher can come around and help you. So let's take a look at our headers. You have our first word, toaster, toe, stir. You hear that long O sound. Here it is in your first syllable, created by that OA. Here's the syllable break. So you're seeing that long O sound in the first syllable. Our second header, below. Here's our syllable break. You hear our long O sound in our second syllable, so you would place that under second. Our oddball is actually our proper noun this week, Europe. Europe is an oddball because it is supposed to follow the pattern of a long O here, because you have your vowel consonant E, which should make the O say O, but when you say Europe, you're almost hearing that U sound. So it's not following that long O pattern. So that's going to be your oddball this week. If you have any questions about any of the words, please raise your hand. It's time to grab our scissors, and happy sorting.